case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1967, an Arizona Supreme Court case, Veach v. City of Phoenix, redefined the expectations of a city's duty to provide essential services. The plaintiffs alleged that a fire damaged their property due to the City of Phoenix's failure to provide water and a fire hydrant, despite prior requests. The city argued that, acting in a governmental capacity, it was not obligated to provide water for fire protection. Initially, a lower court had agreed with the city, dismissing the complaint. However, the plaintiffs didn't back down. They appealed the decision, challenging the notion of governmental immunity from tort liability. This concept had been abolished in Arizona. A city had a confirmed legal obligation to offer adequate and impartial services, including fire protection, to all its residents. The Supreme Court overturned the lower court's decision, holding that the defendant city could indeed owe a legal duty to provide water for fire protection to the plaintiffs. The court explained that, once a city committed to providing fire protection, it was bound to offer reasonable protection, commensurate with comparable areas and circumstances. The key was the city's discretion to determine what constituted reasonable protection. However, the court cautioned, this discretion must not be wielded arbitrarily, it must be exercised fairly and reasonably. Solidifying a potential defense for future cases, the court added that the justifiability of a city's protection measures could be assessed by a jury. Thus, Veach v. City of Phoenix marked a significant turning point in examining the accountability of city governments in the provision of essential services.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class